Ever wondered who's truly at the helm of their crypto journey, navigating the exciting yet often complex world of decentralized finance with confidence and ease? If you've been looking for a wallet that prioritizes security, privacy, and user control, then you've likely come across the Bifrost Wallet. But who exactly is it built for? Who are the users benefiting most from its features? The Bifrost Wallet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a robust tool designed with a specific type of crypto enthusiast in mind. At its core, Bifrost Wallet is for the self-custodial advocate. These are individuals who understand and embrace the fundamental crypto principle: not your keys, not your crypto. They want full, unequivocal control over their digital assets, preferring to hold their private keys securely on their own device, rather than entrusting them to a third-party exchange. This non-custodial approach means enhanced security and reduced risk from centralized hacks. Beyond the core tenet of self-custody, Bifrost Wallet caters specifically to participants in the Flare and XRP Ledger (XRPL) ecosystems. If you're invested in Flare, FLR, or Songbird, SGB, or actively engage with XRP, Bifrost is practically tailor-made for you. It offers native support for wrapped FLR, WFLR, delegation, allows for auto-claiming FTSO rewards and flare drops, and facilitates the management of facets like FXRP, FDOGE, and FBTC. For XRPL users, it emphasizes the future of XRP beyond just fast transactions, focusing on DeFi, NFTs, and seamless dApp experiences with zero added fees. This deep integration makes it an indispensable tool for those deeply embedded in these specific communities. But the appeal of Bifrost Wallet extends beyond just these specific chains. It's also a strong choice for multi-chain explorers and DeFi enthusiasts. With support for over 1,000 coins and tokens, including major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Base, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism, Bifrost Wallet provides a comprehensive platform for managing diverse crypto portfolios. Its integrated dApp browser allows users to explore and interact with decentralized applications like Uniswap, Compound, and SparkDEX directly from within the wallet. This means you can engage in staking, execute swaps, and delve into the world of Web3 without ever leaving the secure environment of your Bifrost Wallet. Furthermore, privacy-conscious users find a strong ally in Bifrost Wallet. Built with privacy by design and data minimization at its core, it promises no ads, no trackers, and no compromises on your data. This commitment ensures that your financial activities remain your business, a crucial factor for many in the crypto space. Finally, while offering advanced capabilities for power users, Bifrost Wallet is also designed with a simple, intuitive experience in mind, making it accessible for those who are relatively new to self-custodial wallets. It aims to bridge the gap between complex blockchain technology and user-friendly interaction, making it a viable option for a broad spectrum of crypto holders. In essence, if you value self-custody, are actively involved in the Flare or XRPL ecosystems, enjoy exploring the multi-chain DeFi landscape, and prioritize your digital privacy, then Bifrost Wallet is designed with you in mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.